Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you what to do if you have no SIM card detected on your OPPO Reno 14. At first, I do recommend to prepare yourself a SIM card tray opener, which is this little metal pin, as you can see. It should come with your phone, like every single company sends you this. Close your phone like this so you have black screen and put this pin in this hole right here. Now you can easily push it into this hole and remove the SIM card tray like that. Now here, as you can see, we have our SIM card. We can take this needle like this SIM card tray and push it in this hole. Our SIM should get out of here, and now what we do have to do is to take the soft cloth like this one and wipe down the SIM card surface like this. It can't be wet, it just have to be soft cloth like microfiber one, like I did have. Now, for example, if you had it on the SIM 2, place it on the SIM 1 like this. It should be equally on the same level of surface like the SIM card tray. Like the SIM card tray. Here, let's place it back again in our phone like this. And what we have to do now is to place our phone like this. Now our phone should have our SIM card detected. And as you can see here, they have some SMS from the carrier, so yes, it works. But what to do if it doesn't work for you? As I said, remove the SIM card from your phone and clean it again and change the ports in your phone. So if you had it on the SIM 1, like now I did, change the SIM 2. I will do it without cleaning. Just change the ports and clean it back again. Cleaning is useful actually in these SIM cards because their surface may be dirty or some oily, something like that, from your hands. Here, as you can see, they have the level of surface. And now let's place the SIM card in our SIM card tray. Now it should work excellently fine. But if it doesn't, the thing I do recommend now is to prepare yourself some other phone. Here, as you can see, we have S20 FE. Phone like a phone. You have to just be sure that here SIM card do work. So now place your phone here, remove the SIM card from your phone and just remove the SIM card from this phone and take it to the another. This will test SIM in the another phone to confirm the functionality of our SIM card. This because if our SIM card doesn't work, the issue might be our SIM card and we have to just call the carrier. But if the second phone detects, the issue is our phone, and the issue may be easier to resolve. So let's find the SIM card tray in this phone. It's right here at the top. Let's place this needle in here, remove this SIM card tray. It's harder than I thought it would be. Here, as you can see, we have our SIM card tray. So let's now place the SIM card over here and place it into our phone back again. It will be like this, not like this, like this. Now here, as you can see, they have two phones, and here in this phone we should have our SIM card detected. As you can see, we do. Here they have mobile data enabled and everything works fine. So if your SIM card works in this phone fine and like a brand new SIM card, the issue is your hardware and we should focus on the hardware. But if the SIM doesn't work, you have to contact the carrier that your SIM doesn't work. in any single phone. They should give you a new SIM card. I don't know if it's with the same number, but definitely new SIM card. So now let me take this phone away from the scenery. It's now useless. Now let's focus on the software issues and hardware now. So if your SIM card is not detected on the phone, like on the OPPO, but on the other is, the issue is your hardware, as I said. Now, as you can see, this is our phone, and what we have to do now is to go straight to the system settings of our phone. Let me unlock it, and let's now go to the system settings over here. Here now we have to go here to the system and update and tap software update. Now we have to make sure that we don't have any updates. I don't have internet right now because I resetted the settings, but here if you do have any update your phone immediately. It's because you may have some quick fix release from the OPPO that might fix your issue. But here if you had no updates, we can go back and here tap backup and reset. Tap reset phone and tap reset network Bluetooth settings. Now draw your lock screen pattern, and here as you can see Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile network settings will be all reset, and what means it that your phone will be resetted every single Wi-Fi network, will reset every single Bluetooth device we have paired, and you will have to just insert the information about them back again to your phone. But this should resolve your no SIM card issue. Tap reset and everything now should be fine. Now we can check if it works. If it still doesn't work, the issue is your hardware and you have to contact the device support for further repair. But that's it that you can do by yourself, and I hope that the issue is now fixed. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and have a nice day. Goodbye!